Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I was just getting ready to set up the camera, and I look over here and I notice this cactus leaning over, and also that Echeveria dusty rose that was looking beautiful and putting up with all the rain, and I had no issues until it looks like iguana came over and decided to start chomping on my cactus. And it looks like it eventually fell over and landed on the dusty rose. I'm so upset. It's like, come on, can I get a break? If it's not a squirrel and if it's not the rain, it's an iguana. If it's not the bugs, it's an iguana. Like, are you kidding me? So frustrating. Okay, I'm gonna set up for my video now that I vented. Okay guys, so what I'm trying to do is I'm just trying to take a lot of the plants that I have in other pots, and I'm just gonna try to shove as many as I can into one planter. And I'm also going to be adding whatever perlite I have. Hopefully I have like a good amount. I'm trying to make it so that it's good enough for the rain, you know, for drainage. So that's what I'm trying to do, and seeing, you know, if the plants can make it through the rain that we've been getting. It can be a tropical storm heading our way. So yeah, that's what I'm just working on right now, and that's the goal. So I'll be using Miracle Grow, perlite, and turfus. I might add more turfus in there later because I do have more of it. I placed this plastic pot that I cut in half so that it does have a mesh to cover the hole, but I placed that pot in there so that I am taking up less space inside the pot. I'm using also less soil. That's the whole point, is to use less soil so that there's less soil that needs to dry. So you just put it upside down, and look at how nice that looks. Feel like it has good drainage. Okay, now I'm gonna go pick out plants that I want to use in here. Be using these beautiful concoys. You know, so far, to be honest, I don't really have any issues with concoys in the rain. I don't believe I ever lost one to rain, only the flapjack in the past. So I mean, I'm just putting her in here just because she's very pretty, and where she's at currently, you can't really see her, so I want to show her off. Let's see if I can get her to be upright. Hold on. I have this beautiful one here. I don't know the name. Someone told me maybe it's like a Laui hybrid, some type of hybrid Laui. Okay. Can you see that? Yes, you can. This will straighten up when it gets sun. She will perk right back up. It could be also the weight, I'm not sure. I did notice sometimes when they get heavy, they tend to do flop over. So we'll see. I'm going to be using this Graftoria Purple Delight, and you can see it hasn't been getting enough sun. These do tend to grow tall. Gosh, so many leaves falling. Do with this one, to be honest. Okay, this beautiful Kankoi panda. Kankoi panda. Hope I'm not covering anything, guys. It is a variegated ghost plant. I cannot remember the name of this one. think that that's good for now. I think that once it gets some sun, this is gonna come up and it's gonna look so much better. I'm going to leave it underneath in front of the fountain because it'll be protected from if we happen to have any strong afternoon sun. So yeah. Hey guys, this is what the pots turned out, what they look like. I think they look okay for now as they grow. We're just trying to see if they can pull through the weather. You know, it's been raining here every single day. Maxie's taking advantage of the sunshine, but it is predicted to be raining in the afternoon again. We do have a storm heading our way. It could be a tropical storm or it could be a hurricane. We do not know yet. We are praying that it dissipates into the ocean as of right now, obviously, because we do not want it to hit any of the small islands. So we don't want that, but we do want it to dissipate because, you know, the workers in Miami are working hard. The rescue workers are working hard to try to rescue as many people as possible, if not rescue, you know, to find the loved ones that are still missing, because what's it called, if the storm comes, they will have to stop working, and that will be, I know, so saddening for the family members, as they are already sad in anticipation, waiting to see if they find their family members, you know, alive or they have passed, you know. I do believe, and it's been proven before, that you can still find survivors. So my prayers are that they do still find survivors, and just praying that the hurricane just dissipates so that they can continue working, you know. And that's it. That's what I wanted to share with you guys today. I'll be figuring out what I'm gonna do regarding my plants. If I have to talk to my husband and see what he thinks, but if the hurricane is heading this way, I will have to take the panels out of off of the greenhouse so that air can flow right through it, and maybe the greenhouse will survive through it. This is the first time I had the greenhouse during a hurricane. I think it was a category 1, but the greenhouse was like literally against the house, and in the way it was against the house, it wasn't going to do nothing to it, and it didn't. So, but now it's not against the house, it's exposed, and it's surrounded by palm trees and trees, so anything can happen, you know. So yeah, I have to remove all the plants from in there, remove panels so that there's airflow, and yeah, just to see what happens. And I'm gonna try to move as many plants as I can. I know I can't put them all in my house, but I will try to move the ones that are very dearest to me, that I'm loving, like this beautiful San Pedro cactus. I would hate for wind to just knock it down. It's growing so beautifully. It doesn't even have any like damage to it so far. No bugs have attacked it. Please stay like this. It looks beautiful, and it's got a lot of the farina on it. So I know I will definitely bring that one inside, and then also maybe I can put them all along the house, like let me not, what's it called, make you dizzy, but I could put a bunch of them along the house, and being like that and low to the ground, it should protect them, you know. So that's what we're thinking about doing. We're not sure if we need to remove the fence. I have to see the pool fence, I'm not sure, but yeah, we have a lot of work to do. The problem is that, you know, you don't want to start too early, because last minute you could do all that work and it's just gone, you know. The hurricane could just dissipate. So yeah, I don't know, I just gotta see what's gonna happen. Anyways, guys, please keep your prayers for those people in Miami. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye, guys.